All right, you guys, today
It's challenge day.
is challenge day. Ani and I are letting Google dictate our tutorial.
Oh my god. Okay, so there's a challenge going around. Google picked my look.
Yeah.
And basically you take your first and last name's initials and you put in look after that and you go into images. But since there's two of us, we decided to do ModaMob, look, and our photo.
And make it a challenge within ourselves.
Inspo is going to be this blush and
like 60s inspired
dark
look.
blush look.
I love that our color was blush. I'm just gonna say.
Right? Totally. So we are gonna do a little challenge. We're gonna recreate this look and see what happens.
Well, we're not recreating this look.
We're creating a look.
We're not recreating my grandma's freaking dress.
We're doing a makeup look based on this grandma dress. All right,
let's do it. For this video, we're both going to be using the same palette from Exposed Cosmetics. This is a new palette, you guys, a new brand, which I think they have really cute colors.
Very cute colors, perfect for this video.
So we're going to be using the eyeshadow palette and the blush highlighter looking palette.
Ooh.
Let's go!
Let's do it.
It's not a timed thing, so you need to relax. Okay?
Excuse me, the video has started. We are not friends during this competition. Mind your own business.
Hater. Ani's such a hater, you guys. I can't deal with her sometimes.
Why am I so competitive? I don't know why. It just happens.
But how do you feel being so competitive, losing all the challenges to me?
Fuck you.
Like, do you go home and cry? Tell me.
Yeah, no, I go home and cry.
I mean, you are 5 years old.
You've been the crybaby lately.
I've been very sensitive and emotional in a positive way. Sympathetic.
Yesterday I paid her a compliment over a message and I was like, oh my god, please don't cry. You were totally about to cry when I messaged you.
No, it wasn't.
You're crying right now.
So are you gonna like have blush throw up all over your face? I think I am.
It's none of your business what I do for my challenge.
Wow, wow, wow. I was just trying to be friendly and talk.
Mm-hmm.
Fun fact, guys, Ani and I are super, super competitive. Like, super competitive. Even if it's not a competition, it is for us. Correct?
I told you I don't speak to my competition during videos. But yes, it's true. I guess I can make an exception and talk to you this time. Oh, you're not talking to me now?
Oh my god. So we've come to the conclusion Ani and I are Lucy and Ethel, but we're both Lucy.
Yeah.
There is no Ethel here.
No.
We're both annoying.
One days one of us is just more Lucy than the other.
Yeah. Or in our culture, we're both Lucines.
Yeah.
Not
Lucy's.
Lucy's.
Let me take a look at this photo one more time. Let's see. Okay.
On a side note, you guys, I've been using this LA Girl Ultimate Intense Day Auto Liner, and it is amazing. I'm obsessed with it, the nude for my inner waterline. And I've been using their lip liner. It's my first time using LA Girl's lip liner.
Oh, LA Girl lip liner is so good.
The best lip liner.
Yeah, it's really,
and it's
really
so
good.
affordable, so I highly recommend getting it. Are you so serious in this challenge, Ani? Are you nervous because I win every challenge?
I'm just confident, so
Or nervous?
There's nothing to say.
Nervous?
Guys, if you vote for me, something great will happen to you today.
Don't use my old lines. Don't use my old lines. I've already done that. Been there, done that. Everyone knows I pick the giveaways.
You can't use that every time just to win a thing. I'm gonna pick the giveaway for this video. We're actually gonna have the cameraman pick today's winner. So, unbiased. Excuse me, I didn't say you can use my stuff. Especially if you're gonna be a hater.
Who's the hater?
Lying to people. Your makeup looks good.
Your makeup looks good.
Yeah. Look at us being nice to each other.
Wait, I want to see the picture. I feel like you might win this one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Like if I were
From
to
Nora?
vote, you guys, I would give it to Ani. You know why?
She's just being nice.
No. You stay true to the theme of the colors. Like pull it up. It's on your phone, right?
It is on my phone.
Mine, I feel like I pushed too much purple in there, right? Yeah, yours is definitely better.
I stayed on the blush side,
Yeah.
so
I couldn't find blush colors even though we use the same palettes.
Yeah, because
did a
you
good-
kept going for the darker one and I kept going for the light. I went for the bubblegum color. That's
Oh,
what I
yeah.
wanted.
You see, your eyes are literally exactly like this color. And your lips, too. I went to purple. Damn it.
But it's a nice lip color.
Thank you. I mixed two colors.
Okay, so you guys, for the giveaway, we are going to be giving away the Exposed palette. And look at these beautiful highlighters.
It matches the theme of our Google.
Totally.
Right here.
Amazing. Love these colors. In order to qualify for the giveaway, you need to like this video, you need to leave a comment, and of course, you have to be subscribed or else you can't win.
Duh.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.